Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we have another simple and inspiring story for English beginners. The Brave Little Bird. A little bird lived in a small nest high in a tree. Every day it watched other birds fly across the sky. The little bird was afraid. It said, "I can't fly. What if I fall?" Its mother smiled and said, "Every bird learns one small flight at a time." The little bird took a deep breath. It spread its wings and jumped. At first it fell a little. Then it flapped its wings. Soon it was flying through the bright blue sky. The little bird smiled with joy. It learned that courage begins with one small step. Moral: don't let fear stop you. Every great journey begins with one brave seconds. Thank you for listening. Believe in yourself. Small steps and brave actions can lead to great success. Keep learning, keep listening, keep growing. See you in the next story. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more English listening stories.